Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss about a term called tactical planning. When faced with a challenge, business owners can approach the situation in various ways. Making a quick decision is sometimes necessary. However, if you have the time, creating a tactical plan and carefully thinking through your next step is often a better approach. A tactical plan is a written outline of the specific action you are going to take to address a problem or achieve a goal. It could list the tasks that you will do yourself and the task you will assign to employees. Ideally, you can set a goal, identify strategies for how you could achieve the goal, and then create a tactical plan to implement those strategies. When to create the tactical plan is a question. Generally, business owners will create and use tactical plan to address a short-term goal that they want to reach within a year or less. However, completing the tactical plan could also help the business achieve its medium or long-term goals. It can be helpful to start by creating SMART goals for your short, medium, and long-term business objectives. Small SMART goals should meet these criteria, like specific goal which inspire, set a clear goal that has specific outcome, and measurable goals that can be achieved and you will know when you will reach the goal. Measurable goal can also be tracked along the way. Attainable goals can be reached. While you want to build a business empire, start by setting goals that can be realistically achieved. Relevant goals make sense for your business. They will help you achieve other goals at the same time. Time-bound goals have a deadline. Setting a time frame could help you stay motivated and focused. Thanks for watching. Bye.